Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to another video. Yes, we are back again with the eShop. Yes, today we're going to be talking about the advanced search part. So yeah, of course, 2 more videos back we actually talked about the design of the advanced search. Today we're going to be talking about how the advanced search works. Yeah, so today we're actually going to see it work. So yeah, that's what we're going to be talking about today, the advanced search. Today we're actually going to talk about the back end part of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so let's jump here. We are at the advanced search part right here, as you can see right here. So first let's type in something from right here. So let me type in iPhone and see what will happen. Search. And look at that, we get all the iPhones that are available in the eShop. So yeah, that's actually how that works. So as you can see, if you can just put in, you don't have to actually choose something from here. You can just type in iPhone, search it up, and you can see everything right here is right here. So let me type in Samsung now. Let me type in Samsung. Alright, let me search that. And there it is. Samsung has also been searched, as you can see right there. So yeah, that's how that works. The search bar also works, as you can see, without choosing any part of that as well. So now let's try using some categories. Okay, so I'm gonna choose Apple. I'm gonna choose iPhone 13. Once I search it, boom, there we go. It gives us the iPhone 13. Now let me try something else. I'm gonna choose Asus. Tough. Where's Tough? You search it. Look at that. There we go. That one is also searched. There we go. As you can see, that part also works. So yeah, that's how the advanced search part works. Now that you've seen that, let's go to the code and see how it actually works. Alright, so let's jump in. Here we are at the advanced search.php right here, as you can see. So here. So yeah, down here, as you can see, we have everything down right here. If we go down here, right here, as you can see, I've given it an on-click advanced search button. It's actually used, which is once we press the search button, it searches everything in the part. And as you can see, I've given it a connection.php right here, which I've connected it to the categories table, and I've given it so it can select from the categories and select the thing we need. And of course, down if I go right here, I've given it a select brand category, which is the you can select brand, whatever brand you want, and around here, which is drop down mode for select model, which will search which model you need. So these are all the drop down menu buttons, as you guys saw in the below right there, the drop down menu buttons. And here's the price part that we can like choose price range, which price we want. We give it a placeholder right here, and I'll give it a placeholder for the other price part. And down here we have the sort by drop down button. Either we can sort it by the price high to low, low to high, and high to low, quantity from high to low, or quantity from high to low as well. And down here, if you don't search anything, it has a one called search and no search items yet. So of course, as you guys can remember, up here I give it a on-click advanced search button for the search button. So let's go to the script.js and let me show you guys how that part works. And here we are. Here is the advanced search button, as you can see right here. So right here, I've given it a some variables and given it the text argument, and I've used the get method to get the element, as you can see down here, and I've given it an ID as well. And down here we have the form data part down here as well. And of course, I've given it a XML HTTP request to search it from the website. And down here, as you can see, of course, I've used the post method to send all of these to the advanced search process.php part right here, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's go to that. Here we are right here, as you guys can see. I've given it another connection.php part down here, as you guys can see. Of course, I've given it a query to select all the stuff I need from the product table. As you guys remember, the product table is where the products are stored. Down here, as you guys can see, and here's the query for the where and title, to find which the products and stuff. And down here, as you guys can see, I've given it the one that can be searched. The model has brand table to, you know, search which model and which brand. As you guys can see, I've given it a quarter down right here. As you see, use the fetch sock and use the ID to find it. Down here, as you guys can right here, I've given it also the one for the model has brand as well, and for the model has ID. And if I go down here, and I've given it the condition ID as well, for the condition to find all the conditions. And down here, I've given it the product has color to find the product color, and you can choose from which color you need. If I go down here, this is for the price range. We can choose from either low to high or high to low price range right here. And if I go down here, and it'll be just, you got the price in between, which price you want from in between part. And of course, we can, when we have for the order by price, we can order from which price we need, and of course for the category ID. And so yeah, that is all I had to say right here. I honestly would explain this much more in detail, but I kind of don't remember the whole part. So yeah, and of course we have the pagination part down here. As you guys can see, we can either go to the forward part or the previous part, as you can see. So yeah, and of course here it will either show if it's in stock or out of stock, and if it's available or not. So yeah, that is all we have for right here. So now that we're done here, let's go to the end of the video. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for today. So yeah, I know I didn't explain the code very well today. I know I would have explained it, but I kind of completely forgot how everything works. So I'm sorry I couldn't explain it much better this time. I hope, but of course I hope you guys managed to actually get some help from it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.